Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make Google your default search engine in Edge. The first thing you do is open up your Edge browser. This is exactly what I did here. Is my Edge browser. Now I want to make Google the default search engine. Make Google my default search engine. So what I do is over here, it's up here, you click on the three dots here that opens settings and more, or you can simply press down the two keys alternate and F. So you click on this before clicking, then click on settings, and then the easiest way, we have default browser here. Microsoft Edge our default browser, but want to make Google our default search engine. So just click here, the search bar. The easiest way to do it is clicking the search bar and type in search engine. And then to give you the options here, so you look for the one, this is the one we're looking for, search engine, address bar and search, manage search stations and search engine using the address bar. So you click on the arrow, search engine using the address bar. Right now the default is DuckDuckGo. You want to make it Google, you just tap on, click on Google, and now Google has become the default search engine. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to make Google default search engine in Edge. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Do not forget to like and subscribe, please. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.